Hey, if you want to play the YouTube videos in the background on your mobile phone when you don't have the YouTube Premium, unfortunately you cannot do this. As you can see now, when I close the YouTube application and open it one more time, the video was paused, and when I click on play it and tap on the lock screen, as you can see, it is not playing in the background. So to get it, you just have to simply go into your account in the right bottom corner, and from here you will be able to get the YouTube Premium. And now you will find the price, and when you click to get the YouTube Premium, you can actually pick your plan, like the individual, family, or student. Then you can click to check out, and then you can follow the on-screen instructions to simply pay for it. And let me show you how it works with account that you actually have the YouTube Premium. So you have to click to any video, like for example this one. And now when I swipe up like this, it will be shown in this pop-up view, and when I lock the screen, I can see this information that it is actually playing. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.